This has got to be my best hack so far here on the channel, and it's my secret to getting very, very smooth princess seams all the time. And I've shared some of them here on the channel, and a few of you have asked me to share my secret with you, so here we are. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Here we work together to demystify this thing called making clothes. My name is Juliet Uzor of sewsonatural.com, and you're most definitely welcome. So for this hack, which is making a bust ham, we would need your bra. Yep, your bra. You need to go get a bra that you don't think you'll be needing anymore. I have this one here, which is an old bra, and I will be cutting this up. We would also need some interfacing, woven preferably, and it has to be fusible with, with the glue. You would also need your iron. You don't need a sewing machine for this, and you need some scraps. Now, you could either use scrap fabrics, or you could use whatever you like to use to fill, hams. Some people like to use wood shavings. The wood shavings you put into a hamster's little home or a rabbit's little home? Those types of shavings, yeah, you could either use that, and that's what you would use to stuff your bra cup. So I'm gonna take this over to the table and we will get started. Since what's needed from this bra is just the cup, I have cut out all the parts that are not required. So the areas around the wires have been cut out, and I've put them both on top of each other just to help to form that little mound. And I'm going to stuff them now. So all you need to do is just fill the cups with as much stuffing as you can. The interfacing that I have opted for is a woven interfacing. So a woven interfacing would be easier to work with on this project because it will stick beautifully onto the bra cup and onto the pieces of fabric. Also, it won't stick onto your pressing iron the way non-woven interfacing would stick. These ones are a lot more durable, and that's the reason why I prefer it. I've gone with black as well because it won't show stains as much as a white one would. So using your iron, press as much as you can. Press the interfacing onto the bra cup and on top of the fabric that's stuffed on the inside of the bra cup. You also need to tug as you go to make sure that the ham forms the way you want it to. I've cut out some strips here on the bias just to make sure that I can mold it the way that I want it to be molded, to take shape and form a round like bust ham. So here we have our bust ham. No, not really. Look at that. That looks very messy. It needs some more work. So what we're going to do now is we need just any durable piece of fabric. I've gone with this denim piece of fabric, and using a chalk, just trace out the perimeter of the bust ham and cut it out. I've cut mine out, and I think the best thing to do here is just to finish the raw edge by folding it over. I folded mine over by about 1/4 of an inch, so it's a very narrow fold. And what I've done now is I've pinned it onto the edge of the bra cup, or the actual ham, because it's a ham now. Pinned it on, and I'm going to take my time and sew the denim fabric that was cut out into what looks like a circle and yes, sew it onto the new bust ham. What this does is it gives it a nicer finish and makes it look a bit more presentable. And here we have our bust hem. I mean, with this bust hem, I've used it quite a lot since I made it, and I'm so happy to share this hack with you. I'll have a few more videos here on the screen showing some of my sewing hacks, and I hope to see you over at those videos. Enjoy the rest of your day. All the very best. Take care. Bye.